To locate your Microsoft Word, if you are new, you can come to where you have your icons here. Here you can actually locate any current app you've been using. But just in case you can't find this anywhere and you are lost, you can always come to your start button or your start bar to search for whatsoever you want. So right now I'm lost and I want to search for Microsoft Word. All I need to do is type on my search bar, right? I can type whatever I want here. So I'm going to type Microsoft. Yeah, so here we'll be using Microsoft Word 2013. That's what we'll be using. So the next thing you want to do is tap on Microsoft Word, because that's exactly what you've been looking for. So I'm going to tap on it now to open. Okay, while it's opening, we'll be going to Google Doc. Our Microsoft Word is open right now, but I'll be going to Google Doc to show you the relation between Google Doc and Microsoft Word, why it's related, because whatsoever you can do there, you can also do here, right? So to access the Google Doc, you can do that on your phone. Okay, you can do that on your phone by going through the steps, or you can access it with your desktop or your laptop. So I will be going online now because I don't have the app on my PC, obviously. So I'm just going to be using my Chrome browser. I'm going to open my Chrome browser now, and what I want to do next is type docs Google.
Okay.
Google.com/documents. Okay, so and then I will tap on enter on my keyboard. Okay, so now our Google Doc is opening. Yeah, right now you can see the relation between the Google Doc and the Microsoft Word. So you can see the interface is almost the same thing, right? So going back to our Microsoft Word, you can see, I know this can be confusing if you are just opening Microsoft Word for the first time. Everything here is overwhelming, but here you can see a blank page. Don't be confused. Here is a blank document rather, and here you can see all the templates that you can edit to be your own, to suit you, right? So if you want to design a calendar and you don't want to go through the stress of designing it afresh with the blank document, all you need to do is come here and look for one calendar and then edit it, right? So you have CVs here, you have other templates that you can actually edit. You even have certificates here. So we have other options that you can also, other demo documents that you can actually edit, but now I don't want all this, so I will be tapping on the blank document, right? Okay, yeah, this is our blank document, our working space, right? So I will be going back to Google Doc to show you. Okay, now here you can see we almost have the same thing as what we have on our Microsoft Word app. So here you can see resumes, you can see letters, you can see project and proposal. So with this you can actually select one and edit from here. Okay, but now I don't want to edit already made documents, so I want to create from scratch. So I will be picking the blank document, right? So I'll just tap on this to select, and now our blank document or working space is open for us to start typing. Okay, so remember what you can do here, you can also do on your Microsoft Word. But then why would you want to use Doc when you have Microsoft Word on your laptop? So this is another option, just in case you don't have a Microsoft Word app on your document on your laptop or phone. You can actually use your Google Doc to type, right? So I'll be going back to Microsoft Word to show you how to type, edit, and also format and do other things for yourself. We are back to our Microsoft Word, and before we go to the next stage, which I'll be showing you how to format and type and also edit your document, I will be explaining some aspects of this working space to you. So up here we have the quick access tools. If I tap on this, you can see that it's for save, and here is for undo, and here is for repeat. Okay, so this is the quick access toolbar. Okay, so here you have the document title. This document is not saved with any name right now, that's why you can see document 1. Once I decide to save this document, you will be see the name that I used to title this document here. Okay, so here you can see the control buttons. Okay, here you have the close, here you have the restore down, okay, and then you have minimize, and then you have ribbon display options, and here you have the help button. Okay, and down here you can see these options here. These are called the title bar, right? From file, okay, from file to view is your title bar. Okay, so you have the title bar, you have file, you have home, insert, you have design, you have page out, you have references, you have mailings, you have review. So all these things are important, that's why they are here, obviously. So here in your home you have all the options here, your design, your insert too. Okay, so going down we have the document, which is this. The document, this is your document, this is where you're going to type. Okay, and then we have the text insertion point. This is the text insertion point where you have to actually type. Down here you have the status bar. Okay, so you can see that we have just one page of 1 year, and we have 0 words because we obviously haven't typed anything here. So if I should type anything on this document now, you can see my words are increasing. So you can see down here that my words are actually increasing, right? So that is our status bar, showing us the number of pages and words that have been typed